children. Today we are discussing about the solid shapes. What are solid shapes you knows? That means cube, cuboid, cylindrical shape, sphere, all comes under the solid shapes. Cone, like that all comes under solid shapes or 3D shapes. 2D shapes means rectangle, square, triangle, all this comes under 2D shape. Here solid shapes. Here we are discussing about mainly three solid shapes: cylinder, cuboid and cube. Cuboid means a rectangular box like that. How many faces for a cuboid have? Thus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for a cuboid 6 faces having. All the 6 faces area is known as the total surface area of the cuboid. Then L, B and H. L is the length, B is the breadth and H is the height of a cuboid. Then thus 2 L into B. Like that 2 faces will be there. So 2LB. Then this will be these 2 faces we are taking. This will be B and this will be the H. So this face and this face will be 2BH. Then 2LH. Then 2 faces will be identical. These 2 faces will be identical. These 2 faces will be identical. These 2. Then all the 6 faces area is known as the total surface area of the cuboid. So 6 faces area. Then 2 into LB plus BH plus LH will be the total surface area of the cuboid. Then lateral or curved surface area means we are leaving this top and bottom faces area. This top and this bottom faces area we are leaving or we are removing that. Then the remaining 4 faces area is known as the lateral surface area or curved surface area of the cuboid. Then normally L into B we are taking the top and bottom. Then 2LB we are removing. So remaining will be 2BH plus 2LH. Then we can take 2H common. Then 2H into L plus B will be the curved surface area of a cuboid. Then LBH are the length, breadth, height of a cuboid. Total surface area means 6 faces are there. So all the 6 faces are the rectangle shape. Then 2 into LB plus BH plus LH will be the total surface area. If we are removing top and bottom surfaces, the removing 4 faces area is known as the lateral surface area or curved surface area. That is equal to 2H into L plus B. Then next we are discussing about the cube. Cube means here all the faces are rectangle, but in the case of we are making this half, then all the faces are square. Like that, how many faces for a cube? That 6 faces are there. If one side is A, then A square will be the area of one face. Like that 6 faces are there. So 6A square will be the total surface area of the cube. Then I told that lateral or curved means 2 faces we are removing. So remaining 4 faces area will be 4A square. Then TSA of a cube is equal to 6A square. Lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4A square. Next we are discussing about a cylindrical shape. Then this is the one cylindrical shape. Then what will be, how many faces for a cylinder? These 2. This is one circle face. Here also one circle shape. And this will be its another. This part will be the curved surface of the cylinder. Pipe like that part is known as the curved surface area. Total surface area means curved surface area plus these 2 faces area. That will be the total surface area of the cylinder. That is equal to, so total surface area of a cylinder means this curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Then we want to add these 2 circular faces. One circular faces area will be pi r square. This also will be pi r square. So total surface area is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Then here common we can take 2 pi r. Then 2 pi r into r plus h will be the total surface area of a cylinder. CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. R will be the radius of the circle, H will be the height of the cylinder. Then we want to find the surface area. Look the question. Find the TSA. TSA means total surface area and lateral surface area of a cuboid. Then 6 cm, 2 cm, 4 cm. We can take L, B, H, length, breadth, any one we can take as. I am taking L is equal to 6 cm, B is equal to 2 cm, H is equal to 4 cm. Then you know that total surface area of a cuboid is equal to TSA of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Then substitute the values. 2 into L into B means 6 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 6 into 4. Then 2 into 12 plus 8 plus 24. L into B, B into H, L into H. Then 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 24, that means 44. 2 into 44, that is equal to 88 centimeters square will be the area. Area normally we are representing in the square centimeter or square meter. Next they asked LSA, lateral surface area. LSA of a cuboid is equal to 2H into L plus B, and substitute the values. 2 into 4, 2H into L plus B means 6 plus 2. Then 8 into 6 plus 2, 8. Therefore 64 centimeters square will be the lateral surface area. 2H means 2 into 4, 8. L plus B, that also 8. Then 8 into 8, that is 64 centimeters square will be the lateral surface area of a cube. Next one, find the total surface area and lateral surface area. All the sides are equal, so you know that it will be a cube. Then TSA of a cube is equal to 6a square, that is 6 into 8 square, that is 6 into 8 into 8. 8 into 8, 64. 64 into 6. 384 centimeters square will be the total surface area of a cube. Lateral surface area is equal to LSA of a cube, or CSA also we can say, curved surface area, that is equal to 4a square, that is 4 into 8 into 8. Then 8 into 8, 64. 64 into 4. 256 centimeters square will be the lateral surface area of a cube. Next question. Find the total surface area and curved surface area of this. Thus, you already know that this is the cylindrical shape. 3 faces are there. One circular face. Here also one circular face. Then curved surface area also. Here given radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Height of the cylinder, that is H, is given 14 centimeter. Here pi value is given 22 by 7. Then you know that TSA of cylinder is equal. First we can find out the CSA. CSA of cylinder or curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to, you know that 2 pi RH is the formula. Then 2 into 22 by 7 into R value 7 into 14. We can cut this 7 and 7. Then 2 into 22, 14, 44. 44 into 14. .616 centimeters square is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Next you want to find out the total surface area. Total surface area is, you curved this way you find out. If you can 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h you already find out. Then 2 pi r square separately you can find, add with that. Then also you will get. Then 2 into 22 by 7 into r square means 7 into 7 plus 616. This 2 pi r h we already find out. Then this 7 and 7 we can cut. Then 44 into 7. Three not 8 plus 616. 924 centimeters square will be the total surface area. If you are, we already find out TSA is 2 pi r into r plus h. This way also you can find out. Then 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. Then 7 plus 14. This 7 and 7 we can cut. 2 into 22, 44 into 21. Then also you will get the same answer, 44 into 21, 924. Any one method you can use. Curved surface area plus base area 2 pi r square, then also you will get. Otherwise directly you can apply the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay children, thank you.